Where the heck? No, there's still a beam. What the heck? All right, one more time. Lens is clean. There's still a beam. All right, now there's two lens flares again too. What the heck is going on? Somebody said, I'm gonna have to start all completely over now. Or put both videos on. All right, so I had it zoomed in so I couldn't see the beam last time. Two lens flares. But somebody said yesterday there was, the reason there's a beam is because your lens is dirty. So I cleaned it. Actually, I cleaned it before I even did it yesterday. Because of that same reason. But it was there. It was really thick. But now it's still there, but it's not as thick. But when I zoom in, I don't know if I can see. I can't see nothing because it's so stinking bright. I don't know. Let's see what we got. It's now like 3:15.